Hello, good evening. How are you? Hello, good evening. How are you? How you feeling? So let's talk about immigration. I'm here to discuss the latest immigration news. Then I'm gonna take some questions and probably give you some answers. It's just going to depend on the nature of the questions. Yes, who's here? Let me know. It's 4:51 p.m. Who's here? Do we have anybody at all? Hello, hello. Do we have anybody at all? Yeah, let me pull this immigration news. Probably we do have some news. Let me see. Pull this immigration news. Okay. What do we have as news? Let me see who's here. Hello, hello. How are you? Haitian unknown. How are you? So let's talk about the latest immigration news. We have some news. Let's just discuss. Let me see who's here. Okay. What's going on? The first news is that Georgia governor signs the immigration bill months after. Remember that immigration law in Georgia, the one that they had to arrest people. Basically, what happened was the law, which gained momentum after the death of a nursing student, um, requires jailers to work with federal authorities to identify people in custody who are undocumented. So basically, they are going to go after undocumented immigrants. So if the person has been arrested and they happen to be or charged or arrested or detained and they happen to be undocumented, so what's going to happen is that the police, law enforcement, and the authorities will report that person to ICE and probably refer them to the immigration court for removal proceedings. Okay. Yeah. The Georgia HB 1105 requires, among other things, sheriff's offices to coordinate with federal officials on people in their custody who might be in the country unlawfully or face losing funding if they don't. You see? So basically, if you are under the jurisdiction of the police and you happen to be undocumented, they are going to refer you to the immigration court and basically remove you, so to speak, right? That's what it's going on in Georgia. Okay. What about North Carolina? Yeah, North Carolina, the law says that it's going to, the bill actually saying that it's going to, uh, again, order sheriffs to help immigration agents to, make sure that this person, if the person is in the country unlawfully or undocumented, to be referred to the immigration court to start their termination, removal proceedings. Not like the termination of removal, sorry, to start the process to removing them from the country. What else? Yeah, so basically that's what's going on, right? So And then Trump says that what he's going to do, he's going to use National Guard to deport immigrants, basically unlawful immigrant, right? So undocumented. Okay, so we got 10 people in the house. Please like, please share. Let's talk about what's going on. Mary says, why are they taking so long for them to say, are they going to renew TPS for Haiti or what? It's set to expire in August and they haven't said anything. Other countries that's not even as bad got an extension. Yeah, this is what? This is May, right? We have May, we have June, we have July. They have 3 months, okay? So they're going to come up with something. You just have to be patient. That's it. They're going to come up with something. You just have to be patient. What else? Who else has a Mukana Sili? Hi, how are you? Mukana Sili, how are you? This is the first time on our live session. Is it your first time? Let me know if it's your first time. This lightning is too much. Let me try to adjust it a little bit. Oh, Lord. Okay. 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 I think it's better now. I don't understand what this person is saying. Good afternoon, global, my daylights. Okay. Good afternoon, Adus Abu Keber. Is that a question or a statement? I don't know what you mean by that statement. Hi, Makan Traore. How are you? Did you get your case terminated with BIA? Did you? Yeah, I'm just here to answer questions. If you have questions, just put it in the comment, okay? If I win the DV lottery, can I adjust my status? The answer is, are you lawfully present? If you are not lawfully present, especially for more than 6 months, you cannot adjust status. That's just what it is. In order to adjust status, you must be within lawful status. That's in short. That's the answer in short. Not yet. Yeah, they'll do it. Just wait. You know BIA, right? You have experience with them. Take like 8 months, 9 months. So you have experience with them. Just wait. You get there. That's almost your last step. They take time. Yeah, we got 11 people in the house. That's a lot. By the way, start liking, start sharing. We're just here to answer questions. That's all. Yeah, anybody else here with a question so we can answer it? I know it's 5, but it's not too late. Okay. Can you go to another country for your visa interview if your country is on code red for traveling? Well, you're gonna have to get NVC sorry, not embassy actually. You're gonna have to get USCIS to transfer your case to another embassy, so that you can get interview over there. You can't just show up on the other somewhere else and say, okay, because my country is here now, it's on red zone, I cannot go there. Just interview me. No, it has to be approved, basically. So you're going to have to file the Form I-824 to ask USCIS to transfer your case to a different country. And you have to give them the reason as to why. And once it is approved, your case is going to be transferred to the different countries. So you can't just go. Nobody's going to interview there because they don't have your case. Okay, I had biometric in November 25, U visa. Is that normal? U visa, November 2022. U visa, it used to take like 4 years, right? And then at some point they said that it's not going to take that long, especially to get a prima facie eligibility, like that's prima facie determination letter. So what you're going to have to do is call them. You're going to have to call USCIS and find out what's going on. But is it normal? Yes, it's normal because U visa takes at least 4 years to get an approval, sometimes even 5. But what they did try to come up with under this Biden administration is the fact that they will give a work permit earlier in the process, just based on a person being prima facie eligible. So then the person will get that prima facie letter determination sooner than later. So I don't know if they're still following up because I don't really have a lot of U visa clients, so I can't really tell. But the only thing you can do, you can call them and find out yourself. Okay. Meanwhile, guys, please share. Meanwhile, while we're trying to answer questions. Yeah. Okay. So on Instagram, we don't have questions. Let's see if we have more questions here on YouTube. Yeah, we don't have questions, so I guess people are busy. I don't have questions. I'm just waiting a little bit to find out whether some other people will have questions. Which question? I don't see any question here. Did you put a question here? Mukuna Sili. I don't see your question. Yeah, I don't see your question. You need to put it here in the comment. I don't see it. Mukuna Sili. I don't see your question here on YouTube or anywhere. I don't see it on Instagram. I don't see it. I don't see anything. Okay, it's USCIS decreasing its processing time for TPS. I don't think so. Let's see, first of all, what country? Let's see TPS and see processing time here. It's supposed to be 6 months, actually. I don't know how long it's taking now. I have a case pending since December for TPS Cameroon renewal. So let's see here. Uh, Nepal. Okay, let's see. Registration for Nepal. Okay, let me just see here. Nepal, Nepal. Registration. Nebraska. 3 months and a half. It says 3 months and a half. You need to file an inquiry online or call them. You need to file your yeah. So basically, you can file inquiry online, or you can just call USCIS, and figure out what's going on. Because on the web, they don't really follow those things. Um, the timeline, forget it. They don't follow it. You just have to, you're the only one who needs it. You're the one who needs to call them, basically. What can I do if Home Affairs rejected my asylum seekers? What do you mean by Home Affairs? Like, did you file an asylum with USCIS? It got rejected? I don't understand that question. Yeah, I don't understand your question. What can I do if Home Affairs rejected my asylum seekers? Well, here in America, we apply for asylum either with USCIS or immigration courts. I'm not sure what you mean by Home Affairs. Hmm. Yeah, let me see Cameroon TPS too, because mine just taking some time. Cameroon, I don't even see it here. Cameroon, they just have initial. They don't have registration. Initial, how long it's taking? 12 months and a half. That's initial, but the renewal is not even showing. Interesting. Okay. 10 people in the house. Please like, please share. Mukuna Sili. When a person comes as a refugee, okay, so they'll get their status from outside already. So they're getting inside already as a refugee. They don't have to apply for asylum again because they already got their status from outside. But if you're talking about why that's probably the reason why they reject is if they're a refugee, why should they again apply for asylum? People who are here, they file either with USCIS or immigration court. That's it, not the department. The one that are coming as refugees, they get their status from outside of the United States. And when they get here, they get their I-94. It's like almost like a person who wins a lottery. When they get here, things come to them by mail. They don't reapply for asylum or apply here. So the asylum seekers who are inside here, they file either with USCIS or either with the court. That's it. So if you put your application, you're seeking asylum, and you send it to the department, they will reject it. Of course, if they reject it, they have to tell you why, right? So you should call them, because I only know that asylum you apply with USCIS and immigration court. And if you're a refugee, you get here with the refugee status already. You don't apply for asylum. Mary, I don't know what your problem is. If you file I-824, you file it with USCIS. It has to be approved. Once it is approved and your case gets transferred to the country that you requested. So if your visa gets denied, you don't get to come to the US. That's what it happens, right? If a person gets outside and their visa gets denied, they can't come back because their visa is denied. So who's gonna do the sending you to your country? Nobody. Yeah, Mary, you look like you need a consultation. I don't understand why you're not scheduling a consultation, because it looks like you don't have a simple case. You need guidance. Schedule your consultation, okay? That's the link for consultation. Yeah, the form I-824, you file it with USCIS. Once it is approved, the person seeking interview someone else, their case is going to be transferred to another country. And then when they go there, if their visa is denied, then they're stuck outside. And by the way, when the person is actually going to do the interview outside, I don't know if they have a advance parole to cover them, or they have a travel document, or they have a waiver. Because really, if you're unlawfully present here and you get out, you're probably not going to come back, right? It's really that obvious. So, Mary, you need a consultation. I don't understand your questions. Yes, you do need it. Okay. Who else has a question? Nobody else has a question. Okay. Okay, so let's video. Oh, you are right now in South Africa. Okay, and you want to, yeah. So if you're outside of the United States, number one, you cannot apply for asylum. Asylum, you have to be physically present in the US to apply for asylum. So I don't know what type of visa you're looking in order to get here in America. If they rejected your document for refugee, I'm not sure why. You need to call them and they say you need to bring a lawyer. Are you applying for a visa to get here in America because you're outside? Are you applying for a visa to get here? Or did you get refugee status from America, from outside? Like, some people get the refugee status like from outside already, but they have to get to the process to get here. If they don't want your document, it means it's maybe they don't agree. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's a fraudulent document. Maybe it's not a valid one. So there's no way for me here to know what type of document that you brought over there. Yeah, probably need. VAWA, can you pay I-485? As of today, no. There's no more fees for I-485 when a person files for VAWA. It's like the fees waive automatically according to USCIS. Right? As of April, they don't pay fees for green card anymore. Since April 1st, for VAWA applicant, right? Not everybody. You're welcome. 28 minutes. I'm trying to wrap up. Thank you very much for showing up. If anybody need a consultation, they should just schedule it. This is the consultation link. You can just schedule it, and so we can discuss whatever your case have. Marsha Valles. How long? GR. What is GR? I don't know what GR is. Courtney. Okay. Marsha Valles. I don't know what GR is. Anyway, so this is it, right? We are going to come back again next week. If a person needs a FOIA, how long it takes? Oh, okay. How long it takes do you do EBA for sport? Yes, I do. Yeah, right, Chanel. Are you asking for yourself or for somebody else? Give them the consultation link because for you, we thought that you're just waiting for the EB3, right? Or EB2, something around those lines. Yeah, just give them the consultation link. Okay, Marsha Valles is asking about how long it takes for FOIA. If you apply online, it's not taking that long. I've seen 90 days. Yes, if you apply online and you have a court hearing, right? It's not taking that long. I've seen 90 days. I've seen 120 days, like 4 months. Yeah. Can I travel with the 48 months of my I-751? Yeah, if you have a conditional green card, yes, you can travel. Yeah, if you have a conditional green card, you can travel. if you are in removal, I'm not, I usually don't advise people that are in removal to travel regardless of their status. But if you have a conditional green card, yes, the answer is yes, you can travel. So you're gonna have to have that extension letter and that old green card that expire on. So for your relative, Russia now, yeah, you need to send them the consultation links, right? It's already there. You can refer them to. So that's about it. Anything else? I guess this is it for today. Until next time, please like, please share. If anybody need a consultation, they should just, yeah, if asylum, you cannot apply for it outside. Mukuna sile, that's not asylum work here. Asylum, you have to be physically present in the United States. You can't apply for it from outside of the United States. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, until next time, bye-bye.